What's cooking today, champs? How are you doing? Here in my side, I am here this morning. It's early summer morning here in the west coast side of the USA, United States. I am making my healthy breakfast made with strawberry cream oatmeal. Yes, it's good to be healthy most of the time, right? Right, champs? That's my oatmeal breakfast and my tea. My tea, as almost always, my super leafy, healthy herbs, moringa / kamonggay, malunggay powder tea. It's mixed with healthy fruits, fruit juice, orange juice, strawberry juice, all berries juice to dilute, to take away, to relieve the unpleasant taste of the moringa, kamonggay, malunggay tea taste. But I don't care if it's unpleasant taste for the moringa, malunggay, kamonggay, because it's the best is the health benefits. The health benefits, right? We're always aiming for the health benefits, right? Agree, champs? Okay, my oatmeal, it's still hot, so I'm just let it finish cooking here in the bowl. I might be very busy for today. I might be very relaxed for today. But it is best to try to aim to eat healthy always. Agree? To relieve all the body tension, physically, mental tension, mentally, and reduce our life stress as much as we can each day. So hopefully we started our day with healthy, and it will lead to a blissful day. Right, champs? Agree? Alright, let's do it. Let's get it, champs. Fresh bread. Not fresh. I just brush my teeth. Yeah, I'm a different one. Hello, different. Hello, different bread. Fresh. Back to the show. Welcome, champs. I hope you can hear me this morning. I just finished brushing my teeth. Welcome to the show, champs. How are we all doing? How's everybody's cooking today? in our heads this morning. What's going on? The moment I need to put some lip gloss. You don't know the female feminine attitude. The female feminine attitude after we brush our teeth, we should put moisturizer on our lips, right? At least. What's going on, champs? How's it going today? What's cooking? What's cooking in our kitchen, in our head, in our brain? Welcome to our channel. Welcome to our best positivity channel, Esteem Self Wellness. Subscribe to our channel. Subscribe, like the videos, hypes, comments, everything good. You always forget. You always make me sad, huh? You always make me keep my stress. I can never recover my stress in all of you. You never subscribe to our channel. You keep my stress in me. Yes, you keep my stress in me, I swear. It is summer season here in the west coast side of the USA. So we are in our summer vibes. Summer vibes, right? Welcome, champs. Welcome to our relaxation day today. Yes, my hair is a mess. So I just bun my hair at the back. Yes, welcome. What's the best topic for the show today? I ate my healthy breakfast, my oatmeal, my strawberry cream oatmeal breakfast with my tea, my healthy leafy herbal moringa slash malunggay, kamonggay in Visaya Filipino language. That was for my Bisaya Filipino language. Kamonggay, super herbal, malunggay, tea. The best superfood ever. Green leafy herbs. Organic is the best. Yes, it's right here. And so as my other juice, my mixed berry juice, healthy, super juice, right? It's important for hydration during the summertime. Yes. A must hydration. Let's put it there so we can stretch our body while we're chatting to you all champs. How's all my champs doing for the day? Are we all in our best mood, best behavior, best physical well-being, breathing super clean, fresh air, breathing super English is my second language. I'm from the Philippines, but I am here based in the west coast side of the USA, US citizen, and I've been here for so many years. But I'm still a Filipina, still a Cebuano, Visaya. Shout out to the Philippines. Shout out to Cebu, Cebuano, Alcantara, Cebu, Philippines, Consolacion, Cebu, Philippines. Shout out. Like and subscribe to your girl channel. Yes, Esteem Self Wellness. Subscribe our channels. Subscribe our positivity channel. Like the videos, comments, hypes, loves. Give loves to your girl and your channel. We all here together to learn and to uh figure out figure out to find the best possible solution, the best possible goal on how to reduce stress in daily lives, reduce or stress therapy or eliminate the stress, each stress in our lives that we have to face, we have to see, we have to witness, we have to deal with each day as a human being. People, not AI, not robot. Shush. I don't know. Should I let my hair down? Should I let my hair down? Should I leave it down or what? Okay. All right, chums. Let's leave that down to cover up some of the bureaucracy, bureaucraciness. Yes, that's our summertime. Summertime, comfortable, leisure. Summertime, comfortable leisure attire, right? It's a multi-purpose things. That's how the way it is. Yes, yes. Don't be so biased. Don't be so biased. Don't be so judgmental. Don't be so judgmental. Don't be so biased. It is multi-tasking, multi-purpose, multi-use, multi uh functional. What up, champs? What's cooking? What's cooking in our head today? What's good cooking? What's good cooking in our wonderful life today? This is your best cheers ever in the world. Your friend in the air, as you all know, your best cheers, esteem self wellness. Although you never subscribe to our channels, you keep our channel in the mud. You're just gonna keep our channel in the mud, never lift up our channel, never give our channel a boost, right? Is that what it is? Are you just gonna keep our channel in the mud by not subscribing it? You need to subscribe. Press the subscribe button now. We're here to be realistic. We're here to try um to be positive to each other, give each other a boost, give each other a praise on all whatever. Try to lift up each other here, not just to watch all of the negativity and uh all whatever the everything in the world, whatever the world calamity and all of the world nature, uh, and most human-made calamity and chaos that all we're witnessing here. It's so stress enhancing, so stressful to our human lives, human uh, physical and mental well-being. Yes, I am so stressed of those. I don't know if I'm the only one that feels that way, but I don't know. You tell me, you comments. It's all negativity. Somebody has to uh, come up with a solution how to combat all the negative news, uh, the negative situation, uh, the negative outcome that some of the negativity scenario doing and happenings in the world. It is so stressful, and all of our the poor people's lives are all stressful. We are giving with all of the stressful outcome, the stressful outcomes, the stressful scenarios in our lives. We have to figure out how uh, to relieve it, to be able to dodge it, right? I don't know. That's why I'm here. I'm trying to figure out. I'm trying to uh figure out, because me, the way I try to uh stress therapy to relieve my daily stress. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a human being. I am not gonna lie that I don't have stress. My life is stressful every day. My daily life is stressful. So I I don't know if I'm the only one who have stress here every day. Every day I wake up every day with all of the stressful situation. How to find the what is the stress therapy, the less tension in life each day. But thank goodness, this is my little comfort, my little minimalist comfort stress therapy of my day today. But I also feel better being just with you all, sharing, chatting. So, yeah, just because I'm stressed, or just because we're stressed, we're just gonna like stay in the mud of uh, stay in the mud of our feeling and stuff. Um, me, just like I wake up, I wake up feeling shitty. I wake up feeling shitty. So I was like, just just like as always, you wake up breathing, being able to breathe, no obstacles, no gunk in your breathing. You think you're breathing with your oxygen. Your oxygen in your air is like 100% breathing. Oh, yeah. Yeah. You're able to breathe 100% oxygen. Your internal body, that's a number one blessing as you wake up during the day, whatever, from your sleep. The second thing is you're able to move. I'm able to move my body. I'm able to move. My body may not be perfect. My body may not be the way I want to be, but I'm able to move. I'm complete. my hands. I have 2 hands and 10 fingers. I have my legs. My legs is complete. I'm able to stretch my legs. Oh, yes. I'm able to stretch my neck. I'm able to, without any obstacles, without any pain. I still have my hair. I still have my nappy hair. Yes. Nappy hair, don't care today. I'm in the best relaxation day today. Need to have my full potential. I'm just, I have my clean body, clean shaved legs, shaved body, my clean armpit, shaved armpit. I brush my teeth. I have my moisturizer. I did my moisturizer. Wait a minute, just a minute. Let me get moisturize some more. Back to the show. Moisturizer? Yes. That's a blessings. Okay, blessings. So that's one thing to take away the negative mind or the negative thoughts during the day. There's an airplane, so pause meanwhile. Back to the show, and the airplane sound is gone, so I don't know. I don't know if you can hear it, Chams, but yes. So today, as always, I am blessed. I am blessed in my little space. I am not blessed with love, with love life. I am not blessed with romance. I am not blessed with love life. I am not blessed with beauty. I am not blessed with money, but I am blessed with health, physically and mentally, for today. Yes, let's say for today. Because we gotta take one day at a time, right? We gotta take one day at a time. Yes, champs. How about you? Tell me about your blessings from the last time, from my wish, from my wish for all of you. Tell me about the blessings from my wish from all of you from the last time. What's the blessings going on? Don't be stingy. Don't be stingy with your blessings. You gotta share. You gotta share. You gotta share by commenting down here, down in the video. Yes. I welcome you to share. We all need to share, sharing thoughts. Sharing thoughts on do we uh how do we try to live with stress reduction, stress reducer each day, despite what we have to deal with each day. Me, I try to um, do relaxation, motivation, motivation to all you, my friends, my chums, to motivate myself and to motivate to all of you, my chums here in our YouTube channel is Teams of Wellness. We're trying to achieve all of that. That's our goal. That's our goal in our one lifetime. One lifetime, right? Yes, as we know for now, as we all know for now, we only have one lifetime here in planet Earth. As we don't know. We don't know, but for sure, but for sure we know, right? But we need to hold on. There's an airplane again. Pause. Okay, I think this airplane is not gonna stop for now. So back. We should be able to maximize. Back to the show. Yes. I don't know if you can hear that. That's a emergency vehicle. It was airplane and then emergency vehicle. I don't know what's going on outside of my area right now. That's what I'm talking about, right? That's what I'm talking about. Stressful situation all the time. Yes. I'm trying to learn from all of y'all how to minimize to the fullest, to the fullest stress therapy reduction with all of what we have to deal in this planet Earth. But whatever it is, champs, as always, with my simple but meaningful motivation. Simple but meaningful motivation. I am here for all of us to motivate myself, to motivate you all, my champs in the world, wherever you're all at, hoping that if there's nobody, nobody cheers you up, I'm here. Nobody cheer me up. I'm here to cheer me up. So no worries. No worries. I will cheer myself up. Yes. I will cheer for all of you too. Because the world is full of crabs, full, full of negativity, full of bad things happening, bad situation. But the thing is that this also with the motivation and the wish for the best for all of us, motivation and the wish for the best for all of us, safety, safety, be safe always, okay? Safety and stay away from stay away from harmful situation at all costs. To all of my champs in the world, whatever, stay away from all harm at all costs. Know how to know how to think, figure out, is this is good for me, bad for me, and you choose which one You will choose from those two, either the bad situation or the good situation. Which one do you think you're gonna choose first? If you must retain, you must, if the smart way is always okay. We may not be perfect. We may not be perfect. We cannot be perfect because we're just humanity. We're not the AI. We're not the AI. We're not the robot. we're not we're not the perfect. Uh, I don't know. There might be perfect human being there. Yes, I am not perfect. I am imperfect. But always choose what's the best. Two things. Is this gonna be bad choice? Is this gonna be bad choice? Or is this gonna be good choice? So which one? Which one do you think we have to choose between the bad choice and the good choice? Tell me. Comments. Yes, champs. If you choose the good choice, the good things, yes. So if you think you don't know how to start finding the good things in life, start start planning, good little plan each day, good little plan each day. Either whatever you're dealing with, whatever bad situation, whatever harmful situation you're dealing with, whatever harmful situation, whatever uh, dangerous situation you're at, whatever difficult situation you're at, find the little way, the little first step ladder way, the how to get away from that situation. I believe in all of you. I believe in all of you, my champs. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. You're smarter than you think you are not. Yes. I don't think I'm smart, but I'm trying my best to learn each day how to figure out how to live life and decrease my stress, decrease my dangerous situation as much as I could, although it's hard to avoid. OMG, there was airplane, there was a emergency vehicle, ambulance or whatever. Now there's somebody's cutting the grass there in the apartment complex. So I don't know. I don't know if my so let's just have to deal with that. Let's just not stress about it. Let's just have to continue, right? Let's just not stress about it. It's things happening. It's not a dangerous situation. It's just people cutting grass outside. So no worries. No worries, champs. We gotta continue our chatting. Oh my goodness, they're too close. So yes, this just added background. We're just gonna use this added background. Added added background to the video. It's add up. So you should subscribe to the channel right now because there's extra background. It's people mowing the grass outside. Extra background. So yes, you should be able to give the extra kindness to our channel by subscribing it, liking the videos, commenting. Positive comments, highly appreciated. Negative comments, appreciated. So we take everything here. All we don't discriminate. No, no discrimination here in our channel. Esteem, self wellness, stress therapy, how to reduce the stress in all our lives. That's our goal. Yes. I don't know if I have to continue yapping because of this mower is so loud. Or should I post it? Okay, I did post a little bit. It comes and goes. So anyway, yes, my champs. Now this is stress enhancing. The lawnmower outside is stress enhancing, right? But no worries, no worries. We just gotta use that as a tools. We just gotta use that as let me put some pin on my hair. Just a minute. This drive me crazy, so I'm gonna pin that right there. Yes, my champs. Okay. Stay, stay with me. Stay with me today. Yes, we have to strive to be wonderful no matter what. It is not easy. It is not easy to do, but I I believe in you, champs, that we can do it. I believe in all you champs that we can do it. Yes. I'm here for you. I'm here to cheer for all of you, whoever needs my cheers, whoever needs my humble, simple cheers. Yes. Wherever you at, whatever side of the world you're at, whatever area of the world, countries, beautiful places, wonderful, tropical. Yes, I miss the tropicals. Tropicals, warm weather, or you're in the cold weather at this time. Here in the west coast side of the USA, United States of America, where I'm at right now, it is summertime. Hot. So I am here. I'm here to hope and cheers for everyone, for everybody to do their best as always, right? Including we are working on it each day, right? Yes, no matter what day, no matter what year, no matter what millennium, no matter what season, no matter what time, no matter the situation, we need to strive to find a way to be safety, find a way to keep ourselves from harmful situation, harmful, dangerous situation. It's never good. Never, never, ever. Never an excuse. Never an excuse, champs, to do harm to yourself. Never ever harmful situation. It's never a cool thing. It's in its name, harmful. It's in its name, harmful situation. It's never a cold thing. So do not choose. Do not choose. Do not choose the harm. Okay. It is hard sometimes. Yes, I've seen some hard situation every day. I don't know if I'm the only one who see it, but I believe that we all see so much chaos each day. But I don't know. I don't know how to find a way to stop it. I wish it stopped because it's so stressful. It's stressing me out so much, Jams. Yes. Now the cutting grass is stopped, so hopefully I can decrease my decrease my statement. ah, yes. Oh, now the grass cutting is stopped. Now there's an airplane again. Oh, can you see that stressful situation? Stressful situation back and forth. We're just gonna have to keep on going because it's not a danger to ourselves. It's just an airplane. It's just an airplane sound. So we're just gonna add up is a flavor, add as uh, flavor to the show, an airplane sound. Yes. So I don't know if I have audience somewhere in another country, but let me know. Tell me if you care to see my videos, my humble, simple, authentic video from my own little space minimalist. Just relaxation for the day. Yes. Relaxing time. How to enjoy in a simple way despite so many stressful situation. How do I title my video? How to enjoy how to enjoy uh your day, how to enjoy our day in a simple way despite uh running into some uh little tiny stressful situations such as there's people cutting grass outside, there is airplane flying around, so noisy. There is like an ambulance outside somewhere. Hopefully, I wish there's nothing bad happen. I don't wish for that. I wish that was just, I don't know, it's like hot weather around here. So typically, in the ambulance, it sound like that. There could be like emergency, health emergency, anything. It could be like something health health related emergency. Hopefully it's not a bad things. I don't wish for that because it's so stressful. Back back to our stress therapy, stress reduction. Yes. So that's why, yeah, I keep my hydration with me because we just be authentic as much as possible. We're not gonna be pretending like we're all this, all that. I'm not gonna be pretending like I'm all this and all that and I have a fancy life or whatever. This is just that's a strawberry juice, but since I mix it with other things, so I just did like that because I don't, there's some other berries over here too. Yes, this is just the simple as possible. Yes, it's a raw footage of me, STEM self wellness, of my simple, poor, but so stress thriving reduction stress therapy life here in the USA, West Coast side as of now. Uh, I was born in the Philippines. I am still have my Filipina vein, Filipina blood in my vein, but I live here in the USA for a long time. I'm US citizen and all of that. Yes. Pero makamao pa ko mo istorya og Bisaya makamao ko mo Bisaya Tagalog marunong pa ako mag-Tagalog ng kaunti lang mag-Tagalog. Yes. Pa, Philippines, shout out Filipinos. Shout out Filipinos. Yes. I have Filipino blood in my skin. Yes. Despite living here in the United States for quite a while. Yes. Shout out Cebu. Subscribe. Subscribe kamo mga taga Cebu aning atong channel nga niapat ta sa Lapok. Sa Lapok nga pa ang akong channel sa Lapok. Subscribe. Subscribe mga amiga. Mga amigos, mga amiga, mga amiga, mga amigos. Yes. Your poor friend, poor Filipina friend here in the United States, subscribe to the channel. We are here, we're trying to learn. We're trying to learn how to find ways how to get get in life, how to get in life with all the situation that we have to deal with. Yes. Here and there in the Philippines, yes, if I would say it honestly, if I would say it honestly, if you you just use strategies. There's a whole lot of natural resources around in the Philippines. Tropical, yes, in any tropical countries. Dang, I don't have the mindset before. I don't have a mindset how to how to um use the resources, take advantage of the resources. Yes, I think it's best to whoever in each tropical countries take advantage of the resources. Yes, you have the more advantage than us in here. You have all the natural resources, all of the healthy organic vegetable, fruits, organic vegetables, everything, organic seafoods, delicious seafoods, delicious organic fruits, organic vegetables. I miss it so much. Nothing here, nothing. And where I'm at, it's nothing. There's some other things here that grow too, but fresh seafoods, fresh uh tropical vegetables, fruits. Yes, I miss it. It's not here. So in like a big developing countries, oh my goodness. Yes, we have things, but it's like export from another place, another neighboring countries or neighboring town or whatever, province, state, whatever you call them. It's different. We call them different over here in the United States. But um yeah, the problem in the third world countries, because most of the people most of the people are most of the people are good, authentic people, but it's the lack of education and strategy and how to use the resources, the best resources that they have in front of their face. Yes, learn how to use it. All the green leafy vegetables, fruits, trees, all of that. You can use it to keep yourself healthy. Make healthy tea on the green leafy vegetables. Yes, fruits, fruit, plants, and all of that. Yes, no, the ancient healing. Those are the best. I think the ancient healing, the ancient herbal roots, leaves. Those are the best mixed with the new technology. Mixed with the new technology, I think they are the best. Yes, mix them together. I think they are the best. Yes, with the technological ways of figuring out how to treat the severe uh, issues in the human body situation. um, the ancient healing is also mix it together. I think they're the best. It's my opinion. It's for me only. I don't know if anybody agree with me, or if you disagree with me. It's my opinion. I'm not arguing for everybody. It's just my opinion. Yes. But so yeah, I like the way I have to, I'm kind of different from I just I just like to keep blood my blood vessels moving, It's very I have a little medical education. I have a little medical education, so I think I am uh qualified. I think I am qualified to say something health wise education. Yes, I believe I am qualified to say something a little bit educational health wise in myself, right? Right, champs? So, my motivation, my wish for the day for everybody is to hopefully have your best day, best um best hustling, best mind, physically, mentally, spiritually. Um whatever you at, whatever part of this planet Earth we live at, whatever section of the countries you at in the world. If you happen to see my videos, I said hi to you and I wish the best for your life, and if you need my best prayer and blessings, and uh, wish you luck, and try to strive. Try to strive for the best in your life. Excuse me, back to the show. Yes, where we at? Try to strive for the best in your life and stay away from harmful situation. Do your best as much as you can in your work, uh, whatever hobbies you love, your work, your business, your gigs, your hustles, whatever. I wish for all you the best and strive to be the greatness, be the champs, and don't choose the negative and the harmful situation and the bad situation. Try to avoid, try to avoid it. Stay away from it at all costs. Know how to know how to know how to uh figure out know how to learn how to observe the situation, either it's is harmful or um beneficial. Yes, harmful or beneficial to you, and make your choices that way. Yes, I'm still learning from it. Yes, I'm still learning from it. We are all in this together and trying to learn how to uh perfect perfect in our own ways, and how to um what is the strive to improve our lives. Sky is the limit. No stopping. Sky is the limit. Yes, no matter what. No matter what, if we're in the mud, if we're in the dump, if we're in the trash can, if we're in the garbage at this moment, if you're under the tunnel, if you are sleeping under the tunnel in the bushes, if you're sleeping on the street, do not keep yourself in the mud. Try to find ways. Try to find ways. There must be ways. If there is, what is that? If there, there must, there's a ways. There's ways. Always. If there's issues, there's always solution. Yes. We just have to, whatever negative, like negative hobbies, the prevented us, negative hobby, negative doings that prevented us from trying to plan how to get away from the mud. Stay away from that. Stay away from that. Yeah, let's work on staying away from that, because that's obstacles. That's an obstacles to uh paralyze. It paralyze our mindset. It paralyze. It stop our thinking. It stop our good thinking. That will stop our good thinking from thinking and planning how to save ourselves, how to uh, arise from the mud, right? Yeah, that will, all of that extra, our body and our brain, we already have our own natural chemicals, and adding all the extra nonsense, bad chemicals, that that's bad, because that will overload. It's called addicted. It overload our system. So just try to use the natural chemicals that we already have in our own body system, in own internal being, and try to use that. Don't add up some extra ones that it's gonna cost you big time, and it paralyze your good thinking and good mind. Yes, don't let them happen. You're smarter than that. Stay away. That's a no-no. That's a no-no, okay? Don't do it. Choose the good things. Yes. It's gonna be more stressful if adding all of the stressful situations, stressful habit, stressful attitude. That's add the stress. We don't want that. We need to reduce. We need to decrease the stress. Decrease, lessen, reduce, eliminate, take away, take away, take away, demolish, distract the stress in our lives. That's what we're here together. Try to learn, try to experiment, and learn something. No matter how that it takes, we're here. We're here. No matter how that it takes for us, because human life is full of stress, and that's the facts. That's the facts. And as much as a lot of people are just faking it, a lot of people are just faking it. Their life is so perfect. Their life is perfect. They're the best. They're so rich. They're so, I don't know. I cheer for them, yes. But um, I wish that if they're blessed, they bless someone too. Me, I'm not blessed with financially. I'm not blessed financially. I'm blessed with uh, my channel, esteem self wellness, and how to try to figure out, put the community on, try how to figure out how to um, combat with all the stress that we have to deal with. It's getting so tensional. It's getting so ridiculous. It's getting so much for ourselves, and most of us poor people are affected by it, are so affected by it, and it's so much. So we all need to have the community here. It it's okay in here to figure out how to learn how to um, manage, how to decrease our stress in a simple way, because we're all poor people. We're not like the, I don't know how the rich people, I don't know, maybe you don't have stress because they have lots of money. I don't know if money take away stress. Is money take away stress? It take away some stress, right? But I think we have different stress. I think, yeah, because yeah, because you know a lot of us, especially in the developing countries, bills here, bills there, money here, money there. That's why in the developing countries, yes, money can take away some stress. Yes, but yeah, in the less developing countries, especially in like third world countries, they have lots of resources. They don't have bills with there. So I don't know. Maybe they don't need that. Money is not so stress relief. We have another stress, I think. Yes. well, my champs, my friends, I'm gonna go try try to go outside and see what's going on. Let's see what's going on outside. It's wonderful sunshine outside. Take advantage, right? Alright, my champs, if you care for and if you happen to stumble my video, my channel is Esteem Self Wellness, and we're here for all the positivity, trying to learn together how to figure out how to relieve our stress from the society each day and every day. Please subscribe our channel and like the videos, comments, hype, stars, all the positive things. And with you doing that, I wish for you whatever you believe in, whatever highest beyond universe, God, guardian angels, heavenly fathers, Allah, Buddha, whatever you believe in, whatever religious beliefs you have, I respect it. I respect all the religious beliefs, whatever it is for the all good of a human being. I respect it. I respectfully respect all the religions, and may all of us be blessed, and may all of you be blessed for blessing my channel by subscribing. And I wish for us to thrive and be safe in each day, and be blessed each day the best we can, and more blessing. Stay off of the harm's way. Thank you, champs. Thank you very much. Until next time, please cheer up and let's do the best thing for ourselves, okay? No harm, no harm. Try to do the best thing. Plan for the best, okay? You can do it, champs. Yes. If I can do it, you can do it too, champs. Thank you. Be safe always.